These viral historical POV shots are actually on fire right now. Imagine you waking up as a medieval knight, a Viking warrior, or even a Roman soldier, all from a first-person perspective. They are really getting millions of views, and here is proof that this actually works. So I'm going to show you exactly on how to make them yourself. First, head over to the GPT library, search for historical POV shots, then choose this GPT right here and start chat. And here the GPT will ask you 3 simple questions to choose a historical heir. And if you don't like any of the following, you type more. And just like that, it will give you a fresh set. For example, I'm going with ancient Greece. Next, the GPT will ask you to choose a country or a region. Then I will go with this one right here, Sparta, which is option 2. And finally, the GPT will ask you to choose a role you want to experience. I will choose a soldier, then click send, and the GPT will build the entire production package for you with 6 scenes that tells a complete story from waking up in the morning to the final moment of the day. Each scene includes a photorealistic image prompt entirely in first-person POV, plus the matching image to video prompt that brings them to life. Now copy the first prompt, open Flow AI, switch to the image, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then bump the image to 3x, paste in the prompt and click generate. In a few seconds, this is your opening scene. You wake up as a Sparta warrior looking down at your arm hands while the morning sunlight shines through the ancient stone window. Then you go back to GPT, copy the second image prompt, keep the same settings, paste in the new prompt and click generate. Now you will get 3 variations of the same scene. I like the first one the most. It has clear visual art effects. Repeat the same process for 6 scenes, just copy the next image prompt, keep the same settings and click generate. By the end, you have a complete set of 6 scenes that tells a historical story. Once all the historical images are ready, it's time to animate them. Go to the video tab, choose Google Flow 3.1, then go back to GPT and copy the first video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, then upload the scene 1 as a reference image and click generate. Now your image comes to life. The ancient Greece wakes up naturally with a sudden movement, realistic lighting and cinematic camera motions. For the next clip, go back to GPT and copy the second video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, upload the scene 2 as a reference image, keep the same settings and click generate. And here is what we got. It keeps the same look, environment and historical atmosphere. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes each time. Copy the next video prompt, upload the matching scene as a reference image and generate. Once all the 6 scenes are finished, you will have a complete cinematic story that follows the ancient Greece through the entire day, from waking up inside the castle to prepare for battle with realistic lighting and natural cinematic movements. Just import them to your favorite video editor. Place the clip on the timeline, arrange them, add a few things like subscribe button, your YouTube logo, TikTok logo, Instagram logo, anything that you can find, and export your final video, and then you will end up with a cinematic historical POV shot that feels like you actually travel back in time.
Advance formation! Raise spears! Lower spears! Hold the line!
The edges are holding well. Good. We'll need them sharp for the push south tomorrow.